Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jen. This channel is all about making sewing and crafts fun and approachable. Guys, I'm in a Florida strip mall on a Thursday night outside of Joann Fabrics. We're gonna go inside and see what is new at Joann's.
Because it's Joann's, there's always a perpetual blowout sale going on. This time it's a post-holiday sale with many items 70% off. If you want to stock up for the 2023 holidays. If you can't tell, there's also a simultaneous storage event. What's wild is that this store has been remodeled from the old style of Joann's. I can't believe I haven't been to a physical store in probably a few years. I do like the new, more modern fixtures, and the departments are very clearly labeled. The fabric section is well laid out, and it's easy to navigate the various types and uses. On to sewing machines. This location stocked Singer and Husqvarna Viking. Lots and lots of models to choose from, plus a super cool demonstration area with plenty of room to try out the machines. Also, a quick note, by the time you're seeing this, all of these promotions have expired. Buy 3, get 3 free on sewing notions. Why not just do buy one, get one? I don't know. What a dope thread display with backlighting. For real, I actually came here to look at zippers, but I didn't find what I was looking for. I know these craft stores are known for their custom framing, but I've personally never gotten anything professionally framed. Have you? I'm noticing a trend with retailers leaning into pre-cut fabric to reduce the need for custom fabric cuts. What do you think about this? Plenty of knitting and crochet supplies here. And there's this new section just called Pop with craft supplies and lots of sparkly, glittery things. The floral department is still very much alive and in full bloom. Maybe it's just me, but the tie beanie babies sure have changed over the years. This is kind of random, but hey, as seen on TV.
Well, that was a lot of fun. The store has changed so much since I was last at a Joann's. I did not end up buying anything. I was good, guys, I promise. Anyways, I'm also outside and I'm trying not to film when people are walking by so they don't think I'm a total freak. But I hope you enjoyed this look inside a Joann Fabrics in Florida. I'm gonna head over to the Nordstrom Rack next door, but check out some of my other vlogs here on the channel. I recently did some holiday shopping at IKEA. That one was a lot of fun too. I'm Jen with the Sewing Report. I'll see you guys again in the next video. And remember, whatever you're doing, make it fun.